exploding, fires flaring, bullets loaded, old enough to kill, but not supposing. Don't believe in war. Tell me what's the gun you told me. And even the Jordan River has bodies floating. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, I only but destruction. Understand what I'm trying to say. Can't you feel the fear I'm feeling today? If the button is pushed, there'll be no running